Okay, so today we look at the cassette brother. It is brother cassette, 24mm, TZe tape, laminated, and it is exact type 251, and it is black ink. And we look, this cassette is done, as you can see here, and we try to dismantle this cassette and we look inside. We can see here laminate, you can see the finish, and we can try open this. So we can see some clips here and here, and another one is here, so we can try to open these clips and open this cassette, how it look from inside. So we can do it. Like this. Yeah. Okay. One part we have done. It look like this. Okay. So this part looks like this. I don't know where you can use this. I think just plastic part. And here we can see some circle. This is some circle, blue one. And it is another one, next one, and next one, so we can open this all circle. And we have again empty plastic. So when we look at environment, this is maybe we can disable this plastic part also. When we take this or this, it's a stick. Oh, we have here some tape. So next plastic part. Okay, here we have another one plastic part. Maybe I have to use a knife. Oh, and this is some black. Yeah. Here is next plastic part with some spring. Metal spring is there. And this is again plastic tube or plastic pipe. Yeah. And this is 8 meters of black paste. Okay, so it will look like this. Next time we can look at the cassette, laminate cassette, but not origin of brother, but some cheaper solution, and we can compare the quality of products, original brother and some cheaper solution from China. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next video.